I'm sorry for not posting in this channel for like a month now because we've been too many in many situations. Like we've been in a graduation.
Guys, it's out. This is the outro. Freaking outro is always like that.
And we're doing some graduation practice.
Ano po masasabi nyo?
Nantok pa po ako.
Hindi po siya kayo ngayon. Ano po masasabi nyo?
I'm unsure if I'm going to graduate or not.
After that, we go to hang out in mall. And then after that, we do a lot of things.
Hi guys. We're ready to get roasted again in the chats. Anyways, I have a violin here in my back
Wait.
because tuturuan ko po si Ulat po kami kasi dumating bigla yung friends ni JC. Anyways, meron nga palang violin sa likod ko kasi tuturuan ko siya ng violin kasi hindi po siya magaling mag-violin. Ako mag-expert na talaga ako, guys. Ayun, pupunta kami ngayon sa bahay ni Anika. Nandito na kami sa bahay ni Anika.
Hi, Batman. Maling spawn point.
Bahay na pala ito ni Margo, hindi na bahay ni Anika. Come in. You can do it. Woman power.
Nakita niyo yung gawa ko while hindi ko.
I didn't see anything. Did you saw me? I have amnesia. I didn't see anything.
Kasi eto kasi sana mapakita ko sa inyo.
What the?
Fetish art. For money. Stop! Ito kasi.
Oh, fuck.
Wow, kitang-kita sa camera. Kitang-kita sa camera. Cool.
Yeah, si Margo.
Ayaw nga.
Yeah.
What's
Yep, that's me and
Hey!
Dali lang.
Hey,
Ang dali.
sabi ko sa inyo guys, si Twinnie kami, imo yun eh.
Freak you. Sabi mo kayo pagsalita mo kunwari kasi Dustin. Salita.
I love femboys.
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort.
Bro gave me lesbian shoes.
Just because it's please.
Na,
Put red.
May pink yung ano, knees
Hindi
niya.
ko pa nga
It's for black. It's for the aesthetic,
Yung
bro.
peklat ko.
Yung peklat ko kasama. Ang cute naman.
You don't add me scars. I have scars. You didn't put barcodes on me.
Yes,
You don't put barcodes on JC.
I just
Like,
only-
look, put barcodes on JC on that shoulder.
Imor.
Imor. Angas man.
Jessie.
Marcus giving kawaii
Boot
vibe.
heel.
Boot heel. Yeah.
Sino to?
Guys, alam niyo yung style ni Hana? Guys, can you help me?
Style ni Hana, bimbo car. Mahilig siya sa bimbo car.
Oo, bimbo ko siya. Yeah, she's like,
Sometimes princess,
I
sometimes
swear, not to assume baka mamaya pagpakinggan ng homophobic.
hashtag cancel.
Si Ana kasi parang like gender fluid. She's gender fluid para sa akin. Pero ayaw niya sabihin yun mismo. Like, she sabi lang bisexual lang siya. Hi! I'm getting cancelled.
No,
Guys, kanina pang umaga ako.
you're getting cancelled kay Hana. Hana's cancelled.
Hannah's gonna sue me.
Sa ito?
Yes.
Bro, ba't ka boses mo?
Bro's doing a voice over, like, what the heck?
Oh my gosh, she's so
Raspy today.
This is my last resort. Suffocation.
Elevating. Karma's a bitch. Bro. James, guest on our podcast. Let's spice things up. What am I next?
Freaking JoJo Siwa reference.
Ba't kayo nagsabi na yun talaga na-draw ko? I should've known better.
Ang lakas ng echo. The silence is loud. Patingin, anong TikTok yun? Is that a freaking...
Pati nga 4 page ko na pumunta yung Johnny Gilbert. But here.
Ano ba meron sa FYP mo, par? What's wrong with your FYP, bro? I think your FYP is on drugs.
Yeah.
Guys, tara,
Hindi lang drugs, mood swing din. Daisy, Daisy, tama ba ito?
Why do you open like that?
Bro, why you open it like that?
O alin?
Bro, ba't basag yung rosin mo? Basag.
Nabasag?
Bro, dude.
Okay lang imura yung rosin.
Okay lang, parang kala mo, di basag yung rosin nito dati.
Bumili ako, mas malaki na. Sa'yo, it's bigger. Try ko nga flight. Ay, walang marks. Ba't na mo?
Lame.
This big?
Can't relate. I'm doing self-prop.
Ang luwag. What the Ang luwag ng strings niya rin.
I'm gonna teach JC how to do violin because di pa siya marunong. Ako, expert na talaga ako, guys. Certified, meron na ako certificate.
Wala daw siyang certificate pero mali ang pagkaano niya sa may bow.
Dito ako ganun.
Kasi doon ako sanay, okay? Kaya ako nung nilulungan yung bow, I know what's the freaking meaning of bow tightening, okay?
How?
Para okay ba to? Okay ba? Okay ba? Tucson Violin, if you guys watching this video, I'm so sorry if we're being sacrilegious in a violin right now. But it's okay, because we're still learning. But I'm not really sure if you're gonna watch this video because we're not that famous yet. But it's okay. Para I swear, pag pumitik yung string, it's not pipitik, pero yung bridge is low-key ganun.
Why were they all down? How do you tune your violin if they're all down?
Kasi gusto ko eh.
Bro, it's giving me anger issues nung bago pa lang ako sa violin. Wow! Oh! Dear God,
Ang taas! Ang taas!
love you, Lord. You know that watermelon challenge where they
Yeah, that's...
Why are you guys so scared?
so scared.
I'm turning Shrek.
You know the Muffin Man? Amen. It's so weird now.
Paano siya laruin?
Alright, so... Oh, damn! Damn! I didn't bring the NFT pack. How the heck did you make this look up Mess around. But it's so
Wow, ang large ko, guys.
5 minutes later.
We're going home. Yeah. Umuwi na si Margaret. That's us.
Kinakabahan ako kay mommy.
Guys, we're going out again.
Door oiled up.
I'm free. Salamat sa marshmallow.
Salamat sa cooking.
Bye.
Cookie.
My parents, my mom's not going.
Can't relate.
You're starting to look really weird. Oh yeah, your face is out of place, and I can't make you out.